ओमकार फ्लैश नीचे लेना भाई। ओमकार थोड़ा हाइट नीचे ना। थैंक यू थैंक यू। चलो चलो मिलेगा यार। भूमि जी वेट। भूमि जी इधर। भूमि जी इधर। हाँ कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है यार। जूम कर भूमि जी वन मोर। चलो हो गया। थैंक यू। बैठना यार। कैमरा में नीचे हो जाओ ना। भूमिका जी मैम भूमि जी प्लीज नॉट गुड हैंड यार। नीचे बैठ यार। नीचे से कुछ नीचे से कहिए लेना लेते कैमरा नीचे। क्या करना है? नीचे से पूछ रहा है। पहले मैं था तो क्या करूं? फोटो ले लो वीडियो कैमरा। ऊपर उठा के क्या करूंगा? ज्वेलरी का वीडियो प्लीज गो बैक।
I want to share with you that I have post my deliveries. What are you saying? Please tell me, what have you been doing? I used to get time at 5 o'clock in the morning. That's it. What to do? It's no. Ask him.
What is it?
Your wife has done what I've done once, twice.
What is it?
Losing weight. You want to pick the other leg up? Yeah. So I won't keep it up. Yes. Shall we?
Being a star and going in with so much pressure for work.
Unbelievable.
Let's start.
पहले डिफिकल्ट क्रॉस जाने वाले पहले आपको पता है मैरिड आप मैरिड और यू हैप्पी सो इफ यू गोइंग टू मेक इट सो डिफिकल्ट
Let's start.
Ji, hi, yes.
Diamond is considered to be a woman's best friend. You met all your best friends back then.
Yes.
How was the experience?
Well, it was fantastic. Firstly, the pieces over here are beautiful. Every stall was unique. Their pieces were different from each other. And as you said, like for me, it's a great day. I felt like a little girl in a candy store because I was surrounded by jewelry and diamonds. So it was a fun time.
आप पर्सनली आपको ज्वेलरी पहनने का कितना शौक है?
जी सर, हर लड़की की तरह मैं भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा शौकीन हूँ. एंड बचपन में जब मम्मी तैयार होती थी, आई रिमेंबर हम सब जाके उनकी ज्वेलरी ट्राई करती थी, तब हमें अलाउ नहीं होता था. अब वी हैव एक्सेस टू ऑल ऑफ इट, सो या आई लव वेयरिंग ज्वेलरी.
What kind of jewelry you prefer actually?
I mean, it depends, right? Like if I'm going for a wedding, I go all out Indian, then I'm going to have like all out Indian, beautiful uncut diamonds, gold, all of it. But otherwise, I'm pretty much this.
भूमि माना जाता है कि शर्म ही औरत का गहना होता है.
वाह, क्या इंटेंस क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो आप.
जैसे हम जाते हैं कि कहीं कुछ ऐसे अभी भी शहर है जहाँ पे गहने खरीदने के लिए पैसे पर वॉशरूम बनाने के लिए पैसे.
Oh, what integration, I must say. Yes.
तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा जानना चाहूँगी कि
जी, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि ये आपने एक बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन मुझसे पूछा है, क्योंकि इन ऑल ऑनेस्टी हिंदुस्तान के एक बहुत बड़े सेक्शन के माइंडसेट के ऊपर कमेंट है. बिकॉज यू आस्क्ड मी दिस क्वेश्चन बिकॉज माई फिल्म इज़ अबाउट टू रिलीज टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा, विच एक्चुअली इज कमेंटिंग ऑन द माइंडसेट ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी एंड हाउ वी लिव इन अ टाइम ऑफ हिपोक्रेसी. बट your question has an answer in itself, that it's time for us to change and it's time for us to evolve as a society and make toilets.
ये फिल्म कितना mindset change करेंगे? You feel like that because it's giving a great message.
So, see, the primarily Toilet Ek Prem Katha is a Prem Katha. It's a great love story between these simple, sweet characters, and you won't even realize how through their love story you've been given an important message. And I have a feeling it's really going to bring about a massive change in our society. It's going to encourage a lot of women not to settle for anything less in their marriage, to fight for their rights, and having a bathroom is your right, and you must make sure that you get one.
Movie coming back to Diamond.
जी.
तो आपका प्रमोशन जो है फिल्म कब से आप शुरू करेंगे?
जी, हमारे प्रमोशंस सॉफ्ट प्रमोशन शुरू हो गए हैं, एंड एनी डे यार, एक्चुअली टुमारो इट्स ऑन.
Coming back to Diamonds, any piece of special diamond आपको कुछ gift मिला है?
जी, on my 18th birthday, I was actually gifted a pair of solitaires, which were my first solitaires by my parents. And उसके पहले, as I said, मम्मी की बहुत ज्वेलरी लेते थे, बहुत ज्वेलरी खोई भी है. But when I was 18, they said, now you're an adult, this is your first pair, be responsible. I still have it, I still wear it here.
Gift मिला है किसी को?
नहीं, मैं डायमंड्स गिफ्ट कर ही नहीं सकती, सब मेरे लिए है.
फिल्म को लेकर एक छोटी सी कंट्रोवर्सी भी हुई है.
जी, वो कौन सी है?
एक शॉर्ट फिल्म मेकर ने दावा किया है कि ये फिल्म उनकी शॉर्ट फिल्म से इंस्पायर्ड है.
Okay.
इस बारे में क्या कमेंट करना है?
सर, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी that हमारे राइटर्स, is it a documentary, short film, what is it? It's a documentary. I mean, I'm unaware of it, so it doesn't make sense that I comment on it, but our film is original, and क्या बोलूँ उसके आगे?
आपकी जो फिल्म है शाहरुख खान की एलिमेंट सिंगर के साथ क्लैश होने वाली थी, लेकिन शाहरुख खान ने रिवर्ट कर लिया अपना क्लैश. तो अगर सपोज अगर क्लैश होती फिल्म तो आपके ऊपर कितना प्रेशर होता, सिचुएशन क्या होता?
सो देखिए, प्रेशर तो मुझ पे नहीं है. एज एन एक्टर आई हैव डन माई जॉब ऑफ गोइंग एंड एक्टिंग इन द फिल्म. द रेस्ट इज अप टू द ऑडियंसेस एंड ऑफ कोर्स a lot of love and luck that a film gathers after it releases. My job is done, so I think the pressure is on the directors of both the films.
फिल्म में आप एक स्मॉल टाउन वुमेन का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही है, जाहिर सी बात है कि वहाँ की महिलाओं का जो दुख दर्द तो आपने समझा होगा. So how was it difficult to portray this character?
I mean, it definitely is tough. Unfortunately, in our country, we've seen generations of suppression where women are concerned. But I also feel slowly and steadily things are changing, and the medium we've been given are films. I'm very lucky to be an actor that gets to do films like these, and it is very heartbreaking and heart-wrenching.
Now you did a movie with Akshay Kumar. अगर फ्यूचर में कभी चांस मिले श्रीकांत के साथ काम करने का, so would you like to?
Of course, who would not? Like, I think even you guys would do it if you all got a chance.
Let's
talk about the exhibition.
Let's talk about jewelry exhibition and all that.
एक सवाल, आपने जो फिल्म की थी दम लगा के हैशा, उस पर एक सीरियल बना है और बहुत पॉपुलर है. आपकी तरह एक किरदार है, क्या कहना चाहेंगी? बहुत उसी से लिया गया है.
Well, it's very exciting to know that my character had such an impact and people are getting inspired and making more material around girls like Sandhya and around characters like Sandhya. So kudos to Indian television for evolving themselves this way.
Questions related to show, please.
So yeah, I'd like to ask you some questions for our social media audience. So yeah.
You want to come here?
No, I don't mind. It's okay.
I for me. Yeah. What?
Yeah.
Okay,
so,
hi.
So tell me, how was your experience at Times Glamour 2017?
Well, it was fantastic. As I said earlier, I felt like a little girl in a candy store. Being surrounded by jewelry is actually every girl's dream. And I literally felt like I'm walking into one. The pieces were beautiful. They were unique. In fact, there's so much stuff that I might want to wear. And all the best. I hope everybody has a great exhibition and a very successful one.
Also, how do you define luxury?
Well, luxury for me is something that goes with my personality. It of course is a lot of comfort, but at the same time when you wear it, it makes you feel special.
Okay. Any bridal suggestions for this year? To the
Bridal suggestions? I've really not thought about this, but I think a classic Indian bride is the most beautiful. So any of you women getting married, go classic, go Indian, go pretty.
Go all out.
Go all out. I would go all out the day I get married. I would probably have all the jewelry on the day.
Bhumi, any particular piece which was highlighted?
So there've been so many. It's very difficult for me to choose one, but I must say, if anybody seeing me right now live, I don't know if that's a setup. You guys must come visit this exhibition. You all are going to be in for a very happy few hours of shopping.
And you personally do the shopping jewelry, like how do you prefer, like going to the, or you have a designer, like how do you
I mean, I think with actors it becomes a little easier because you have your stylists and you have people sort of doing a lot for you. But I mean, I've grown up seeing my mother, be it any festival, Diwali, a birthday, the first stop would be a jewelry store. So I think exhibition. Yeah, and I think there can't be a better venue than an exhibition like this where you have everything under one roof. So again, out there, all the brides, all the people that are looking at buying exquisite, beautiful pieces, you must visit this exhibition.
The audience are very excited with the movie. In fact, the songs are doing very well. How much are you excited? Like, and Akshay Kumar is the best actually on the box office.
Okay, well, I'm extremely excited, but I'm also nervous. It's happy, nervous energy. It's my second film, and it's a very important film for me. It's a very important character for me. So fingers crossed.
Since your movie inspired by the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, initiated by Honorable Prime Minister PM Modi. So if in future, if you get any chance to meet Prime Minister, so what would you say?
What would I say to him? I don't know. Not something that I can definitely think of right now. I think I'll have a lot to say to him.
Right now, jewelry is all in your
Yeah,
mind.
all I can think of jewelry. I probably. In my head, I have a lot. I don't know if they'll actually happen.
Bhumi, can you please tell your one favorite dialogue of your movie, Toilet?
No, I'm not going to give you a dialogue from Toilet because I want everybody to see it. I'll give you, no, I'm going to give you a dialogue from Dab Laga Ke Aisha. Not from Toilet, or you'll have to see it. So from dialogue, this is my favorite dialogue in Dab Laga Ke Aisha, ki aadhe mein na thaku main, and she winks at her husband, which I felt was so revolutionary for Indian cinema. So yeah. Yeah?
Okay, I have a question for Balbir. Why choose Bhumi for day 2 of Glamour?
I don't know. I mean, you know, when I saw her in Dum Laga Ke, I really didn't understand the whole thing. But when I saw her pictures like 15 days back, when we were going through whom we should be having at our show, I couldn't take my eyes off her, honestly. And when I see her now in person, I think we made a fabulous decision. It was worth it.
How lovely is she?
So sweet. And I mean, see, you have a lot of actors. Everyone's reached somewhere in life, but you know, if you're still grounded, that's the way it is. That's called success and handling success, and that's what I felt from her when I met her. I felt really comfortable, and that's what I want to feel when I'm taking someone around in my exhibition.
भूमि जैसे सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट बहुत ही ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में चल रहा है, सो लाइक काफ़ी डायरेक्टर एंड इनको ट्रोल किया जाता है, एक्ट्रेस को बॉडी शेमिंग में तो उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा ध्यान।
जी बस ये हाँ, मतलब जितने भी ट्रोल्स हैं, जो भी होता है, आई फील सोशल मीडिया इज़ अ वेरी strong platform to give out a message, to put an opinion. And I definitely feel that we should use it for the betterment of the society and for the betterment of humankind, instead of wasting hours sending people hate messages. I honestly block all trolls, and I think everybody should too. Get a life.
Bhumi, can we get a small shout out to all your fans out there to come down and visit Times Glamour?
Yes, of course, everybody out there. This has been a great time. If you're looking for to buying some exquisite, beautiful pieces, please come here, shop your heart out. You're definitely not going to be disappointed. भाइयों और बहनों, मेरी फिल्म टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा 11 अगस्त को रिलीज़ होने वाली है। ये एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत लव स्टोरी है। मैं आपको प्रॉमिस करती हूँ फिल्म देखने के बाद आपके चेहरे पे एक बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट होगी। प्लीज़ शो अस सम लव ऑन द 11th of August.
Thank you. And ask your fans to
I can't tell you.
Times Glamour tomorrow.
And please, everybody out there, please come to this beautiful exhibition, the Times Glamour, today and tomorrow. You're going to find some beautiful pieces of jewelry. They are unique, they're exquisite, there's something for everyone. Pour your heart out, come shop.
How's the total response, in fact, of the exhibition? There are lots of things going online also, actually.
Yeah, we have a very good response because weddings are not going to stop. You know, occasions are going to be coming in, celebrations and a lot of festivals are going to go on, whether the market, wherever it may be. So people are going, are all prepared for glamour every year. We've got a lot of outstation visitors this time because, I think around 70 to 80 people out of Bombay who have, who blocked their dates for glamour, just the visitors. So wow. I can definitely, I know glamour is doing very well this year.
That's really commendable. I think they need a loud round of applause.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, thank you.
अरे यार मैडम लोग कौन है यार? अरे दादा ले पूरा वो स्टील अरे थोड़ा और स्टील थैंक यू सोलो ले